Hello, my name is Tim Jones. I know a lot of people are worried about the shortage of face masks and other safety gear. I want to tell you not to worry. There's a lot of things you can do using ordinary materials at home to keep you and your family safe. One of the things you're going to need to assemble together is you're going to need like stiff cardboard, scotch tape, rubber bands, and some filter material. But I'll cover that at the end of the video. And also I want to let you know that my website will have complete plans for all of these designs that you can use. So what I want to do is show you one design here that I came up with. And it fits on like this. And what the theory here is that by creating a long nasal cavity, when you inhale a virus here, it takes a while for it to reach you. That gives time for the virus to inactivate and die. Now, one of the things I like about this design is that if you want a little bit more protection, you can add like garlic or some aromatic spices at the end, and those will help to kill and inactivate the virus before it reaches your nasal cavity. Now, I have a friend who says, well, I can't always wear that at work, or it's a little obvious. So what we did is we came up with a new design for her, and this allows her to color coordinate, but also to help people keep their social distance from her. And she can basically wear this, all day long. Now, I know some of you are going to say, well, isn't there something a little bit easier to use, not that much engineering? And yeah, I went to the local grocery store, and there's basically a lot of options in the personal protection department. I came up with a box of these items here. Now, they don't come with rubber bands. You're going to have to do your own rubber bands. But basically, this allows you to create a ready-made face mask that you can basically wear anywhere. Now, the thing I like about this design is that it comes in a package of multiple units, so you can share them with guys at the shop or wherever you need them. But also, they come in a light day and a heavy day option. And what that means is that, let's say you're expecting a heavy flow of customers one day, you can actually wear a thicker pad that'll provide more filter efficiency that'll capture more virus. Now, the package does warn you about a couple things. You're going to want to get a package that says seals against leaks. You're also going to want to make sure you wear it in the proper orientation. It goes like this. If you wear it like this, you're going to get air from the sides. It's not going to work very well. The other thing is it says you're only going to use these once and then you're going to throw them away. Now, sometimes people will say, well, gee, I'm at work. A coworker just started coughing. Isn't there something I can put together quick? Well, here's a device that you can use, just using ordinary materials you find around the office. And what I suggest on this one is that you actually leave some tissue on the roll. Because what you can do is you're going to adjust your filter efficiency by adding or subtracting tissue here. And this is the kind of thing that, like say, you can just use to wear to get home or get through the day at work. Now, I want to thank you, tell everybody be safe out there. And then in our next video, we're going to cover different types of goggles and face masks you can use. So thank you once again, and have a good day.